thought that I had to be in Compton soon. I gotta get drunk before the day begins, before my mother starts bitching about the funds. About to go and damn near win blind. Young niggas on the block throwing up gang signs. I went in the house to get the clip with my Mac 10 on the side of my head. I bailed outside and I pointed my weapon. Just as I thought, the fools kept stepping. I jumped in the road and the juice in my ride. I got front and back and side to side. Then I let the iPod play. I was pumping new shit by NWA. It was gangsta gangster at the top of the list. Then I played my own shit. It went something like this. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the bitches, slapping the hoes. I went to the park to get the scoop. Knuckleheads out there, cold shooting some hoop. Car pulls up, who can it be? It's a fresh up in the rolling Kilo G. He rolls down the window and he starts to say, it's all about making that GTA. Cause the boys in the hood are always hard. Come talking that trash and we'll...
There's a struggle bus trying to warm up. It's really, really cold out here. Everyone that drives by is staring pretty hard. I don't think people come to the skate park very often.
Go to a place where my homeboys chill. Fellas out there trying to make that dollar.
So my run up for that is here, carve turn, do my trick, because
I gotta get my girl to rock that body.
all this.
I left, I hit the Bacardi. Pulled to the house, get her out of the pad.
The ledge is ice.
Something to make me mad.
I ain't even gonna risk it. Hopefully I cleared that enough, so if I am able to come back here, I'll at least be able to skate this quarter. I think it's time to go. There's been a cop circling the block, and he's actually parking in the parking lot now. I don't think I'm welcome here. Swear to God. Oh my God, this is solid fucking ice going downhill.
Possessions never meant anything to me. Yeah, I'm not crazy. Well, that's not true. I've got a bed and a guitar and a dog named Bob who pisses on my floor. That's right, I've got a floor. So what? So what? So what? Yeah, I've got pockets full of Kleenex and linen holes where everything important to me just seems to fall right down my leg and onto the floor. My closest friend, linoleum, supports my head, gives me something to believe.
Really wish we had something like this at one of my locals. Now, there's like a mini pad out ledge at City Walk in Birmingham, which is kind of cool, but man, just a nice, mellow little two-stair. You got stairs on one side, bank on the other. This thing's perfect, man. Love this thing. And if you're really ballsy, you got this one, so you can hit that one. You got the same pop-on height here, but like, literally hip high. My knees ain't feeling that one today. It's cool though. It's cool though, you can get this little line going. Got this ledge up here, this guy, and that guy, or hell. Even got a drop here, which I see is well utilized from the ground down here. Yeah, this whole section's pretty awesome. Yeah, you want to go down to 2-stair or 4-stair or 6-stair, you decide.
That's me, yeah, I'm back, well the bus. That's me in the cell. That's me inside your head.
Well, now that I'm home, I have a little work to do in here. Get this place skatable again. Not perfect, but skatable. Alright, so all in all, Had a blast on this trip for work. Ended up getting 4 different skate parks in. 6th Avenue is breaking my heart, though. I've had 3 trips to 6th Avenue, and I've had 0 good skate sessions there. And it's no fault to the park, but the way it's laid out, once you hit a certain number of people in that park, you know, take kids completely out of the equation. You know, like what happened on Monday was my own fault. I went there on a holiday. I figured it was probably going to be busy, but I wasn't expecting that. But also I wasn't surprised by it either. It was a little frustrating, but it was what it was. Once you get like 10 people in that park, everyone is in everyone's way. You can't flow around the park, and even when you're trying to hit a singular obstacle, you know, it's really hard to keep tabs on where everyone's going, when to take your turn, this and that and everything else. That park in Bowling Green, man, let me tell you. First time I had an opportunity to stop there, it had just finished raining. I'm like, let me get out, let me check things. Maybe it's a little drier there, you know, trying to have a little bit of optimism. And there wasn't a lot that was skatable there. And I did try to skate that park. I slipped out pretty bad. I took a slam, soaked my clothes, waterlogged the heck out of my board. It actually broke the week after that happened. But, you know, I'm glad I got a redemption sesh there because that park is truly amazing. SPRAK, come on. Anytime you can get to go skate SPRAK, it's an amazing trip. And I'm going to tell you something. When I'm up there again, I'm going to SPRAK again. If you ever have an opportunity to go to that park, do it. One thing I may do when I go back up there in February, there was a park I hit in Indianapolis back in October called Skatepark. Now, Indianapolis is only about 2.5 hours north from where I'm going to be. I thought about doing it this trip, but I ended up going back to SPRAK. But on this next trip, I may go back to Skatepark. It's still pretty early in the year, but the way things are looking, I'm going to be moving around the country quite a bit this year. Need to get back out to Texas. I got to go see my Oklahomies in Oklahoma. There's a lot of places I need to get back out to, and there's a lot of places that I need to get to for the first time. And, you know, I'm very blessed that through work I have these opportunities to go out and do these things, you know, and skate all of these amazing places and meet all of these amazing people. Stay tuned. Especially if you like watching old guys skate very crappily across the United States. Thanks for watching.